Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to everyone. So today me and my teammate will be presenting about bridge construction. So first of all, my name is Muhammad Iqmal Hakim bin Razmawi.
Hi, my name is Novaina binti Muhammad Faris.
Hi, my name is Siti Nofatia binti Chemak Fauzi.
So let's get started. As for our introduction, a bridge is a structure that spans horizontally between supports and is used to bear vertical weights. These structural supports must be strong enough to support the structure. The span between the supports must also be robust enough to withstand the load. Spans are typically kept as small as feasible. Large spans are justifiable and when excellent foundations are scarce, such as across estuaries with deep water. For functions, a bridge is a construction designed to cross a physical impediment like a body of water, valley, road, or rail without impeding traffic below. Second, it is built to allow passage over an obstacle, which is generally something that would be difficult or impossible to cross otherwise. Bridges can also reduce the distance and travel time. As for components, there are 9 components for bridge. The first one is abutment, second, deck, comes with parapet, next, girder, band beam, piles, column, bearing, and footing. For type of bridges, bridges are classified into 5 main types, which will be arch bridges, beam bridges, cable stayed bridges, truss bridges, and tie-arch bridges. The structure of various bridges is determined by how vertical or horizontal stresses are handled. The deck area will be the load-bearing part in certain situations, while the towers will be in others. There are additional versions that transmit stress via bridges cable, allowing for some flexibility in varied terrains. For beam bridge, one of the most basic forms of bridge is a beam bridge. A simple log bridge is a good example. Traditionally, the deck area is made up of wood planks or stone slabs. They are held up either side by 2 beams that run between abutments or piers. Other beams are frequently found in between the main beams, providing extra support and stability. The passageway for people or vehicles will be a basic decking that is vertically positioned over the underlying timbers. There is no stress transfer as in arch bridges and other types of bridges. For the second one, we got truss bridge, a load-bearing structure that includes a truss in a highly efficient yet extremely basic form. These triangular components play an essential function because they efficiently absorb tension and compression to generate stress structure that can withstand dynamic loads. This combination of tension and compression guarantees that the bridge structure remains intact and the decking area remains unaffected even in reasonable severe winds.
are the traditional materials that are used to carry out bridge construction. During the initial period, timber and stone were used in the construction as they are directly obtained from nature and easily available. Other materials include iron, timber, aluminium, rubber, and other joint material. The next topic is about challenges in bridge. First challenges is construction of bridge across deep gorges. Second is construction of bridge on rivers which boulder beads. Third is construction of bridge in extreme temperature zones. Fourth is construction of bridge on sharp turn on highway. And last, landslide or debris flow. The next challenges is problem in seismic prone areas, and lastly is geological condition at site.
Malaysia standard for bridge construction, followed by height hazard in road and bridge construction, and construction industry standards (IDB). There are different case studies based on several bridges are available in Malaysia. For the first case study, Sri Sajana Bridge, total length 300 meter and built in 2001, opened in 2003 and constructed by Road Building and Holding Berhad. The Sri Sajana Bridge is a main bridge in the Plain City Putrajaya. The new in 2001 Malaysia Federal Territory and Administrative Centre. The bridge design is a unique combination of a symmetric cable stay structure and a through arch bridge. For the second case study, Beam Bridge, Seri Bakti Bridge, total length 270 meter and built in 1998 and opened in 1999 and constructed by Pupandana Putrajaya. The Seri Bakti Bridge is the one of the main bridge in Putrajaya, Malaysia, and this bridge links the secondary road to Seri Satria, the Prime Minister residence, connected to government premises in the north to transit system in the south. For cable stay bridge, the last case study is Langkawi Sky Bridge, and the total length 125 meter, built in 2004 and constructed by Alam Langkawi BNO Construction, BBR Construction System, and opened in 2005. This brick deck is 360 meters, which is 2,170 feet above sea level at the peak of Gunung Mat Cincang on Pulau Langkawi, the main islands of the Langkawi Archipelago in Kedah. The bridge was closed in July 2012 for maintenance and upgrading. The reopening was put off several times, but it eventually opened in February 2005. The bridge is now fully accessible. So in conclusion, bridge link destination and this bridge are access to humanity that must survive for generations. In bridge putting affect the entire environment and cause lasting change. So planning is required to integrate the bridge into the natural habitat. The scope of bridge engineering is expanding all the time, and the technology utilized in bridge construction is becoming more complex. Thank you.